I'm gonna be working on this. Feel free to stick around. I'll try to chat as I check up on my second screen. This is the one I have so far. I wanted to animate the draw, but it's not gonna be easy. If you guys have any countries you want me to look at, oh, let's look at the Philippines. Oh, whoa, that's weird. Life expectancy didn't exist or wasn't reported for this year. I don't think any of these years were reported. It's kind of weird. 90 million against Cameroon. So, okay. What's another good country nearby? Malaysia. Life expectancy. Income. You could do like, you could do Korea and the Republic and the Democratic Republic. Wait, hold on, that's the same thing. But yeah. Very interesting. They're kind of similar. Well, this is the green chart. The second one is green. They make a lot more money. I'm guessing this is... I don't know the difference between which one is South Korea and North Korea. Hold on. Okay. South Korea makes a lot less money than North Korea? Wait, hold on. I could be wrong. Let's do Hong Kong, China, and regular China. Hong Kong and the rest of China. Where are you guys? I need to organize this chart too. You see that? That's so weird. The population is way different. Hi, Scurry! No, they don't. Eagles are awesome. Totally awesome. You don't want me to pull out my Eagles jersey for this. Okay, life expectancy. Hong Kong's way higher than China. Hong Kong makes a lot more money than just China. But I guess let's do China and the US. Yeah, good stuff. I wish, okay. I want to do an overlay where I need to make it more obvious to understand which one is JavaScript. You know JavaScript? Cool, teach me. Cause I'm a noob. Oh, what should I make? I want to append the labels on the axes. So this should say currency and this should say, well, I don't really need the years, but it'll be nice to have. Put the color of each bar next to drop down easy. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. But I want to add like a key. I mean, you could do something simple, like super easy. Was it? I mean, I could be really lazy and just do this. You suck at teaching though. I'm really bad at teaching. My professor was telling me, oh, it didn't even work. My professor was, or my teacher, he's not really a professor, was teaching me that telling me that I should be able to teach all my other classmates, but I'm like a horrible teacher. How come I can't do this anymore? Hold on. Oh. That should work. What? Oh my gosh, I still have this in there. That's so weird that that's not working. There we go. I could be this lazy. Oh my gosh, that's hideous. It works. It's so distracting though. I can make the text white. I don't even know. Let's see how that looks. I don't think it will look good. It will hurt. Yeah, that hurts. It's not smart. It'll do for now. It is kind of bad looking, but whatever. I'll fix it later. I mean, I could just put a title on top and be like Nation 1. It's gonna be hideous too. Oh, why is it not working? Oh. I love MonsterCat. MonsterCat's the best. You just need a small color square next to it, nothing fancy. Oh, this is terrible too. Okay, yeah. That's like this is probably like the least important part to deal with, so. But it's good to get second opinions on data design because a lot of people read data differently. Some people have a hard time understanding data depending on how it's done. So I'm gonna add titles on the axes. Let me see if I need a function for this. Scaling because look if you had to compare more than 2 countries. You could add more countries. I could add more countries. It'll just get very messy because there will be a lot of noise eventually. So that's why right now they just wanted to do a comparison of 2. Like even that transition was pretty nasty. These transitions get pretty ugly. But yeah. But so, we could do France. Let's do France and Germany. Oh. Wait, that's not France. Where's France? These are organized by region, so it's kind of bad. I wanted to organize it a little better. I guess I could sort it. That would be easier to find stuff. France. Not too bad. Similar life wow, look at the life expectancy in France. It's crazy. Well, there's some zeros, that's why. Ooh. This must have been World War I. World War II in the 40s? Yes, this is World War I and World War II. That's pretty intense. Yeah. So, That's interesting. I want to see the United States now next to them. Or next to Germany. I'm gonna sort this. This is pretty bad. I can't find anything quickly enough. This song's weird. There we go. Much better. What did I want to look at? Germany and United States. Oh, it's not as interesting. I still think Germany and France is pretty interesting to look at. Oh, no, this is life expectancy. Yeah. Okay. So let's add those axes. Oh, incoming. Silly.
fall in love. Embellishing emptiness is what we want.
What is this at?
To understand what's in our destiny. Can we break from all of the dependency? Can the nights with forward visions carry us through these conditions? Endlessly kept because we always forget we are the littlest and the star. The night we fall in love. Embellishing emptiness is what we want. Always we search for the right things to say, for the moments that take our breath away. We're chasing life and it's been here to stay. Out of the ashes and out from the dark. Love is an arrow that aims for the heart.
Oops, this is the wrong one.
Emptiness is what we want. And it's what we want. And it's what we want. Out of the ashes and out from the dark. Love is an arrow that aims for the heart. Embellishing emptiness is what, yeah. The need to understand what's in our destiny.
Oh, there's two. I wonder why there's two. to fix the enter or the update. MonsterCat's making me laugh, making me go deaf. Okay. There's something going wrong with the y-axis. It died. Oh my gosh, it's over forever. It's there. But I broke all the ticks. Oh well. Let's see. Because I did append the text here. It should be added. Let me see. If adding nothing will fix it. No. No go. Mac, what's up? Welcome. This could be music and coding stream today. Welcome. How are you? I'm breaking stuff. Breaking things that used to work. I'm not getting the axes to update. Okay. I think I'm just gonna add a group. And hopefully that will work. JavaScript, yeah. It's working with a library called data-driven documents. This is the night class that I'm taking, so I'm trying to finish one of the projects that they wanted me to do. Well, actually, I finished, but I want to make it nicer. So I'm just OCDing here. Do you program yourself? You do program, don't you? Okay, series. Really, can't type. Lowercase it. House population. Yeah, you do server backend stuff, or you like the game dev outside of work. Oh, cool! That's awesome. Uh-oh. Unexpected token else 217. Oops. Oh, I messed up on that. All I know is JavaScript has been giving me really bad habits. Yeah. I keep forgetting like my semicolons and stuff because of it. I think I should change this into an update label and make a I don't know if I need to add text yet, but I'll just set it to nothing. Mikado, thanks. Good eye though, that's really good. This should be better. There we go. But it's not gonna show that yet because I didn't call it. Oh, these are all variables, okay. What is this? Hey Nerd Class! I am working on my class project that that's supposed to be due sometime when I get back to class on Monday. This is annoying. X is negative, that's not good. How are you, Netflix? What have you been up to? Sorry I didn't get to hang out with you last night in game. Doesn't seem like... okay. Hold on. Did I select X-axis? No, this is Y-axis. Oh, I think I chose the wrong name. Yes, I did. It's an experience watching someone else work. Oh yeah. The text is... no, that's not the right text. Where is it? It's not even showing up. There you are. You don't exist. So where are you? Oh, but the series is being passed through. So passing label, series equal to income. Yes. Note this, you get to see what I'm doing when I'm not in game. Series is income, so it is showing up. It's just not being passed through. Oh, I know. Oh god. I forgot to update this one too. This should work now. I mixed up my IDs. Oh, now it's broken. Why? Hold on. Why do I have... this doesn't work. This doesn't exist. That's so funny. ID. I do have access Y right here. That should work. That's interesting. Might also say if you set the default values in each dropdown. I did that in another example. But I did it this way because I was showing my classmate that it could be done, so I just didn't bother to change it afterwards. Is it this one? It wasn't this one. Oh yes, it is this one. So this one actually auto-populates the list and then selects two nations by default. So you can pass in whichever nations you want to do, or if you want, you could do like a random search. But yeah, I just wanted to show this way so that my friends could, my classmates could see, because they were having a hard time understanding how to do this part. So our cohort for this class is there's like 2 or 3 programmers, and then the rest are non-programmers. So we got paired up with a person who doesn't program at all, and I was trying to help her out with that to show her it was possible. But I'm still a terrible teacher. Yeah. So the one thing I do want to do is, so these are separated by, here, I can show you the data. I could do D3.js. It might not show up right away. Return d.region. Object temp1. So this is actually hold on, so that you can see it better. This is actually separated by region, so I wanted to do like op groups to be able to group them by region, and then I just couldn't figure out how to do that with D3. It was such a pain in the ass, so I was like, okay, never mind. So yeah, you could just see like all the Americas. These are all of the countries here. I could show you what it looks like with the region nested with the countries after it. So this is what it looks like, and I thought this would be really useful. So these are all the countries in America. Teaching gets better with repetition, easier if the person learning is driven to learn it. Oh yeah, that's true. Hi Kyoru, how are you? Welcome to late night stream of programming. So yeah, so here's like America, and then you have East Asia. So I thought it would have been a lot more useful if I had been able to group it by region, but I was not able to successfully do it, so womp womp. So yeah, that's the struggle. Yeah, I'll just have to leave it with alphabetical because it's easier, but it just doesn't tell you like what area it's from. I just can't get this I can't get this label to work. I'm just gonna see what I did with my others. Text. Let's see, look. This is exactly the same code. Class.access. Oh, class access. So, yeah. Region grouping might make more sense if there was a header for each region. Yeah, so there is a thing called op group in HTML for select forms, and it will look like this. I mean, like, W3 Schools isn't the best place to look at, but it looks like this. So I was like, oh crap, I really want to make it look like this. But it was just like, it was annoying, so I'll figure that out later. The main thing for this project was just to be able to draw 2 lines and on the same graph, and I got that down, so it's good. Whoa. Oh, okay. I was like, wait, what was that? That was a cool country. It had cool data. So yeah. Oh, thanks, Kyoru. Have a good one. Have a nice Friday. I hope you have a nice weekend. Thanks for dropping by. So there's that. I'm just like, oh, I'm really just trying to add a freaking Y label. How funny is this? Okay, I could, cause if I was trying to pass it in, because the thing with D3.js is you need to, I do have an update function, but the thing is when you call this update function and you use an append, it doesn't update it will just keep drawing another attribute on there, the whole element over and over again. So you need to kind of target the actual element that you're trying to update and then just overwrite it. But then if you keep appending, it will just keep writing it on top instead of replacing it. So that's what I'm trying to figure out, but it's not working. So I got it to work for titles, so it should be pretty much the same concept. So yeah. If I don't solve it, it's okay. There's another set of data that I could use, and then I could show you guys it from scratch. I would separate the append from update so you can only follow. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I usually try to do. So, but the thing is, like, my update function has so many overloads already, it's like getting nasty. Which I'm gonna have to see if my instructors have a suggestion on making this a little bit better. Because I like how all the setters and getters are set up, because the setters and getters kind of make it a little bit easier to handle, as opposed to this one. So this one is the main function with everything like inside. It's disgusting. So like all of the population, all of the values. So this one I wanted to refactor to get the data better. And then it has all the min-max for extents and scales, and this is pretty much like what the translation is. It's crazy. Yeah, I might need an exit so it doesn't keep appending. Yeah, oh, there is an exit, so I have an exit in the update function. So we have it somewhere. Where is the exit? Exit? Where did you go? You are very important. Where is my exit function? Did I not make one? That is very interesting. I guess I didn't make one. Okay, let me actually look. So you guys can actually see all of my stuff. Oops. On blocks or block builder. So I want to see, this is one of my other projects that I made. This one actually draws like, does comparisons of exoplanet data, so you can choose 2 different kinds to show it. So this is pretty fun. But I need to see where the exit data, the exit function is. Selection of exit data. I might not need an exit, although that would be better to do. I don't think I need it, but the label's not working, so... Actually, this one updates so the reason why I went to this example is because, so see this title? It updates the names right here, which is pretty much what I want to do. Hold on, let me fix my chroma key, it's going crazy. Sorry, a million screens. There we go. Oh, it's still bad. Oh dear. I wish I had dual screen. I don't have dual screen on this setup because we don't have enough room on our TV, on our desk. Hello. So yeah, let me look at this graph. Because I did all of the nice refactoring for this too. Title. Yeah, I passed in the title as an extra value. So I might just have to do that. Where's title? Append title. See, this is pretty much what I'm doing. Maybe I just need to append it instead. Okay. I'll append it to SVG rather than selecting that class or that ID. No, I could do it to this. I'm just like brain farting. I haven't done this in a few days, so I'm just like a little bit iffy again. Let me just do it inline here. This song is so happy. Maybe I'm just doing it funky. Like so many of you, yes, it's great. This what happens when you only have one screen to work with. Okay, I'm gonna find this title because it's being very elusive. It's right here. The text, okay. Class title, transform text anchor start. I have all that. Well, I probably have text anchor end. Where is this class? Oh, it's nothing. I should just switch it back to so that it auto-populates because it's kind of weird when there's like no graph. It's like, whoa, nothing here. Might as well go somewhere else. Definitely not the best look in terms of usability, user interface. Oh, there's an error. Selection is not defined. Update 279. 279 section, yeah, there's no, oops, that makes sense. I don't think I need an exit for the title, for the, what is this? This label. Because if you just change the value in the label, it will update it. You don't have to exit it. Just wondering, anyone here do graphics programming? No, I wish. My boyfriend actually took a graphics class once, and he did it in C++, and he said it was like one of the hardest classes he'd ever done. But now he's just chilling doing database work, so he's bored, but he's okay with it. Oh, hello, Belgium. I want to see like the richest country. Where are you? Oh, of course, Belgium. Let's go find them all. Let's see if there are any like blips in the data. Oh, that was weird. Aruba. Ooh, Australia. Look at that. The draw is really funky when you transition weird between some nations. This one has no data. Oh, Belgium and Belgium, duh. pretty difficult in any language, yeah. Brunei. I think Kuwait would be actually a big country. Let's update the greens. Brunei. Bulgaria. So, okay, so this data set that I'm working on is actually another... It's just it's a redrawing and a restyling of this. I think this one. A different graph I made. So this is the other graph that uses the same data. And it's a little bit more interesting. But this one scrolls through the years and it shows you, it updates the size of the nation by population, and then life expectancy versus income. So that was the other one that I worked on. That's a nice looking graph. Yeah, this one's pretty nice. Oh, hold on. You guys can't see the years. But yeah, this was one of the other graphs that we made for this data set. So we've just been like, this was the first one, the first iteration of it. And this one just converts from linear to logarithmic view. So you can see there's like differences with how, what scale you use, which is pretty cool. This one's a lot more easier to read, but then the scale is a little bit funky because it kind of skips around a lot. But yeah, you can see there's a lot of data just hanging out here in the less than 10,000 area. And this is probably, these are one of the richer countries. But you can't really tell, like, this one doesn't really help you understand what region it's from, so this one actually does. So this one actually is color-coded by the region it's in. So it's pretty cool. I like kind of being able to make different versions of graphs and then show how you can actually visually change it up. Hold on. I'm gonna fix this up again. Ah! Hello. Hello, chroma key. Feels bad, man. It might be, I just might be selecting the wrong thing. Hold on. I thought I saw I thought I saw the title somewhere. It is here, hold on. X, Y, 100? Oh, it does work. And double semicolon, how funny. Oh yeah. What happened? Huh? Oh, I know. I was clean. That was bad decisions. Where are you? Oh god. No bueno. It gets frustrating when like the easy things you're supposed to do ends up being like the most ridiculous part. And I'm just like, oh crap. I should be good at this by now. This is what happens in games. So today I was doing 100 challenge mode, and I've done 100 challenge mode like a ton of times, so many times. But today I was just like out of it. I was off on my game, and I just like kept dying left and right, and it was horrible. So it was to the point where I really wanted to rage quit because I was like, crap, I should be able to do this, but I can't do this right now. And then like we put up our group for LFG on the LFG, and it literally said 100 CM rookie group. So you're supposed to assume that people are gonna be a little bit iffy on the mechanics, but no, this troll decided to be all like, hey, stop dying, and I was like, oh my god. Hey Pastor, how are you? Welcome. So I was pretty upset by that. I was like, damn you. I was like, I'm actually supposed to be decent at this and I suck at this right now for in games. So I was like, oh man. I really wanted to rage quit, but knowing me again, he wouldn't let me rage quit. He'll be like super disappointed at me. Have you been, Poster? Label Y. Let me see if I just need to append a text. Because this is not working for me. For shame. Pen label, actually. Have you been? I have a break. Unexpected token 311. Ooh. Where did that period come from? Oh my god. Feels bad, man. This function is not working for me. Nope, nope, nope. You getting your bills up? Nice! Congrats, Poster. Good stuff. Dear append label, why don't you work? Feels bad, man. So, okay, let me break this down. I am selecting y-axis. Or axis Y. What the heck? Why are these all so backwards? Hold on, let me switch this. Axis Y. So confusing. There we go. Append a text. Transform and translate it. Okay, that should be good. But I think the last time I did that, it broke. No? Okay. Are you there? Do you exist? You exist. Yes. Just kidding. But I'm not gonna do like a victory dance until this actually freaking works. But it's not. Hold on. It's there, but there's no text inside. So the append label is not working exactly how I want it. Why you know append text? Oh, duh. Hi. Yes, Lou and GG. No, seriously, like, if you guys are, oh, it works, but oh my god, it broke everything. Wait, it didn't break everything. It's just there. There's your heart. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yay! No, but it's like, oh my gosh. I'm sure you guys have gone through this. Like, if you guys are programmers, it's like, aren't there times where you're just like, oh my god, why doesn't this work? God, I suck. What the hell? And then afterwards, you get it to work and you're like, I am a god. So that's like me when I'm programming. Like, literally, I'll be like this, heads down for like hours until I get it to work. Throw back to College Pro, all I could do is flip images and invert colors. Oh, I know. Yeah, but this is just adding a freaking label on like the y-axis. Oh my god. It's just like SVG drawing. Come on, Ahiko. You can do this. I have like all my other code here that I'm not even looking at because I'm trying to do it from memory. So I got my high. Hello. And then the update label should update it. It is on axis Y ID. I don't know why I flipped those around. That's so confusing. I think I have a class that's x-axis or y-axis. It's kind of dumb, to be honest. I'll fix that later. Feels good, man. That's a feeling. Seriously. You got 8 beers to kill? Good stuff. Well, it's Friday. Oh my gosh, you see this? What? Oh, table flip. What the heck? Okay, where is the... Is it because I'm not passing? It might not be. It might be because I'm not passing in that label. I don't want to add another. I don't want to add another parameter. It's so gross. There's so many already. I'm gonna make this nicer later. Label Y text. Serious. Done. Control F and H is your friend. It totally is. Oh, it didn't work. Life is miserable. What's H? Oh, find what? Well, that didn't work. Which is I'm very skeptical with why my hold on, let me look at my labels. This is or my classes and stuff. This is really confusing. Axis Y? Y axis. Notepad lets you do it through multiple opens, so I find that to be useful. Nice. I fix. Yeah, do you see this? I update the ID to the right one, and it just breaks it. Hold on. I didn't mean to delete that. That's so strange. I probably don't even need this function. Well, I guess I could use this function. Let me try. I've got it to work here. I need to pass No. Bad stuff happening. Oh dear. Tries to fix stuff, breaks more stuff. Hold on. I should do this at the very end. I don't think it'll make a difference. It won't make a difference. Yep. Nope. Okay. Let me go back to a fixed state. Clearly passing the label selection is not working, right? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna add a class to it. Yes! It's not right, but it's close enough. I just was selecting the wrong thing the whole time. Good stuff. So it should update. Yes! Yay! This Discord is legit. Awesome. Do you have your own? Discord is like a super amazing. I love it. Although I was kind of bummed because I applied to their hype squad and then I didn't get accepted, so I was like, whatever. Because I would totally be like, yes! I totally would have been like, yay, Discord, best thing ever! Because I use TeamSpeak and Mumble and, what is the last one? Oh, Ventrilo, like, ever since I was in junior high. Because I was always playing video games. And then I was like, Discord is like the best thing ever. So great. Thank you, Light. Okay. So we're done. I should probably capitalize it because it kind of looks dopey being all lowercase. That was not supposed to take as long as it did, but at least we got it done. My goodness. Guild Wars 1 Ventrilo, that was a come up. It was! I love Ventrilo. Yeah. Fun fact, the guy that made Nightbot works for Discord. Oh really? That's so cool. Discord is actually hiring if you guys are looking for a job. I saw they were like hiring several developer positions. We have we have it working. Yes. I hope this is like self-explanatory enough on the bottom that it is the years. Oh, I don't think you guys can see my cursor. Yeah, you can. So yeah. So there we go. I should just leave like an empty data, but I'm tired of this. I'm tired of this graph. This graph is not as pretty as the other graph that it looks like it just froze. So I'm gonna post this in my block builder for my classmates to use hopefully they can get some help from it. But this is the prettiest I can get it. I'll probably make it better later, but no thank you. Not right now. Okay, so there's this, so there is this website called Block Builder, and you can, it's kind of like a real-time updating. It's kind of like JS Fiddle, but it updates automatically. So I really like it. It's made specifically for D3.js. So let me fork this. When we let it go, let it be. Belongs to me. I like the song. Wait for it. Oh, this is a different remix. Oh, I like this. It's very chill. So here, I'm just gonna copy and paste all my code. And it will update it, so I'm gonna change the size of it too because it's too tall. Let me go. Now I'm feeling stronger. Do, do, do. Never gonna let me go. No. Oops. Stronger. What? What happened? I don't like this remix anymore. The other one was way better. Oh, what am I doing? Disapprove. They killed the song. Why is this graph skinny looking? Hold on. What is this? 990 pics? Why? Oh, I see. I have margins. Pretty big margins. I don't need this many margins. Why? So see, this is kind of nice because it updates it in real time. It's just a little bit hard to debug it on this website, so you can also switch it to side-by-side view, which is pretty cool. And then move it around and stuff. So it's nice for making like really quick on-the-fly blocks, but I wouldn't do it for main development because it is really hard to console log stuff. And then this also has its own bugs, but my teachers actually know the maker of this website, which is pretty cool. So hopefully I can meet them someday because since they're friends, I might be able to meet them too. So I think this is good. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this, or I'm gonna save this. Oh, so this is this is stuff for feature possible emote stuff. I'm trying to find someone to commission an emote for. We'll see. It's so cute! I want it. It's pink. I want it. And it has bunnies, so win-win. My heart belongs to me. This is Nation's line D3. This is probably going to be the final because I'm tired of working on this thing. And then you can add thumbnails and everything. And yeah. Good stuff. I need to update the title here too. I don't like this remix. It makes me sad. So, and then later on, you can just view the blocks after. Hey, a bunny! Yes, bunnies are cute. Oh, this bunny? This was the first thing I drew in SVG. This was like the first day of class and I drew a bunny. I was like, hey, this could actually work as an emote probably. It could, right? But yeah, so that was the first thing I made in D3, or well, in SVG at least. So I like looking at it. And I just really like this website. It's pretty cool. I need to update things and add menus and stuff to everything. Yeah, so this is actually just... Ooh, that's interesting sounds. What the heck are they doing in this song? They had too much fun on this song. It's gonna make like an empty image. Nations line. And my teachers want me to make tutorials for my classmates, but those things take so much time that sometimes I don't have time to do them, and then it's like it cuts into my dailies, so I'm just like, no, I need to do my dailies. How am I gonna be able to do all this like writing? It takes a long time to write tutorials, man. Yeah, these are all linked on my like on my personal my portfolio website. So yeah, there's actually like a little tiny link of it on my Twitch. So the other thing that I need to work on actually is a stack chart. So this is the other project they want us to work on, which when you pass in the data to make a stack chart, it actually makes a matrix. So, which is pretty cool. Yeah, but this is as good as I got it to work. I actually need to set up a scale ordinal so that the colors will go the right way. Right now I only have a gradient, so they're just like they're kind of just like getting darker based on their opacity, so it's just overlapping on top of each other. But this was our first attempt at stack charts. Oh, also, this website has a lot of examples of blocks that you can look at, which is really cool. So mine just like updated right here. So you can look for stacked chart. Yeah. Let me find Micah Stubbs, M Stubbs. Stubbs? Wait, what's his name? Not Mike Bostock. Mike Bostock is a creator of D3.js, and he's, oh my god, he's so amazing. But yeah, this is a stack chart that eventually I want to make. I haven't done it, and that's so weird that the axis is on the right side. That's interesting. So yeah, he uses scale ordinal for bands. So that's cool. That's pretty much what I'll probably end up doing. I need to see how he did the fills. Oh, he does XYZ variables, which was really strange to me. I only use XY, so this is for our scales. So his Z scale is usually the color scale, which I haven't tried, but that is like apparently best practice for this library. So I need to get into work and start working on that someday. But yeah, so he has D3. What is that? I really like this library, and he is like, he's the most amazing creator because his documentation is really good. It's so good. What am I looking for? Oh, C3 color scale. Like just looking through his documentation, where you like learn stuff. It's amazing. So scales, colors. My favorite are transitions for this guy. Oh no, not this one. Oh, easing. Yes, D3E is his library. He has really cool documentation on how each transition is. So what easing is like the transition for it's pretty much a different kind of algorithm that they use to do a different transition. So this is linear, so it's like a straight line. He like visualizes it for you so that you get a better idea of what each transition does. So this one is poly in, poly out. So it's pretty cool. And he graduated from Stanford with his PhD, and he used this as his pretty much his PhD project. His dissertation and everything is amazing. So it's pretty cool. Lots of good stuff. And he did like all the math for this. So not only did he do the programming for it, he did all of the math, which was crazy. So I'm just like, oh my god, legendary. So yeah. And then these ones are cool, like elastic ones. So yeah, ooh, this stuff was nice. So yep, there's D3.js, or this is the D3.js function. Good stuff. So, what was I gonna do? Oh, it's right here also. Where is Micah Stubbs? Horizontal chart. Horizontal. Where is it? Where is it? Oh! This is actually my teacher. I don't know if his works. Yeah, this is pretty nice. I tried doing horizontal charts and it did not turn out well. So I need to learn how to make those sometime. There's so much cool stuff in this. So, okay. I wonder where Micah is. Micah Stubbs? This one. I want to be able to do this someday. This is so cool. And super useful. You can toggle between grouped and stacked charts. I really don't like stack graphs because I don't know, I just really think they're weird. I think people can get easily confused, and it's really hard for me to see the trends for some of these. So, yeah. There's stack charts for you guys. So I need to figure out how to make my stack chart. So we're done with this. Let's go back. I'm using Lab 3 data. So they gave us a Barley data. The Barley data set that I want to use. This sounds weird. Not a fan. I don't know how much work I did on this, so I don't think I did that much work on this. I was doing data exploration, trying to figure out how I should visualize this. Okay. How did I want to visualize this? I took some screenshots too, to see how I wanted to look at this. So I need to refresh what I was looking at. Let's see. Hold on, I have the key. Let me fix this. I'm gonna view object, it's easier to see. Object. Oops. Object. There we go, that makes a lot of sense. So, oh, I see. So I wanted to get generation and by site the total yield. Oh gee, well that was fine, going to bed. Thanks Light, good night, thanks for dropping by. Have good sleep. Good dreams, I'm not programming. Take care. So this is, how many items is this? This looks maybe around like 20 items. Let me switch it back to objects. Or entries, I mean. 22. 22 bars, okay. I'm gonna need to look at this stack chart as reference. Actually, I have the code. Class 8? No? 7? Oh? Where did my notes, where did my programming go? No! Okay, well, I'll just copy this. Actually, I want to save this stuff. Minecraft. I think this was line 8, or class 8 I mean. Last class. Hello, stack chart. Okay. And then I'm going to get the previous one as a reference. Because I'm just trying to get used to this way of setting the functions to do all of the graph drawing and stuff and setting. Scale, right? Okay, cool. But I'll work on that later. I mean, I could do the old school way. But let me try to do this from memory. Even though it's kind of like side by side, it looks like I could probably look to the right and get and just copy it. So scale returns x scale and y scale. Oops, not semicolon. I forgot this is an object. What is this? This is going to be scale ordinal. I think should be scale ordinal. Oh no, scale ban fail. Oh, what am I doing? This is supposed to be the scale. Oh gosh, hold on. What was I doing? What was I doing in class? This is scales. Oh my gosh, stack data is so confusing. I don't know how I'm gonna do this with the data that I have right now. I will do the setters later. Or I guess I don't even need to. I'm not gonna call them. Let's just do it old school way then. So let's get the min-max domain scales. Domain range axes. X extent. I'm like brain farting on how I used to do all this stuff. I still need to practice this a little bit more. Oh. Scales, axes, SVG. So this is scales, there's the domain. Domain is part of scales. See that scale band? Domain dot range. And then we need to pass some sort of data. Might not need a range. Oh, I like the song. This is Marshmallow? I think this is Marshmallow. Good song. So, okay. On my portfolio website, I made up a tutorial for doing like a basic scatter plot on D3.js, and it's just kind of like a simple template for starting out, but later on you can like refactor it and break it out into functions to make it a little bit easier. But yeah, this is just like a start, like a template, so that you could get, so at least for me it was just so that I could get used to doing all the different parts of D3, all the different parts of a graph. So let's see. I'm gonna follow it actually. Append axes. On my way back home to you. Yes. Scale. And then the y-axis is the same. Axis left. And then you pass the scale. So we have to figure out the extent. Which for this one we didn't do an extent. For the extent of the total values, it was all of the objects that are in here. So I need to figure out what my extent is going to be. And my extent is going to be the total yield of all of these objects within the key for the region, or the generation, I guess. So let me convert it back to objects because it's hard for me to visualize it when it's in this form. Total yield? Why is it? Entries, object. Hi Natri, how are you? Actually, this might actually be good practice for me for like... Oh, I messed up on something. Huh? Sorry, what line is this? 67? This might be good practice for me with kind of whiteboarding-ish, because I have a very hard time explaining my train of thought when I'm doing whiteboard exams. So line 91, main 91. Oh yeah, these aren't defined, so that's why I'm getting errors for that. Hey Megan, how are you? How was game? And I'm guessing you did your dailies already, huh? I haven't been in game because I've been working on this. I'm just listening, chilling to music. So hi, welcome. Might not be as interesting as my Guild Wars 2 streams, but I am just working on stuff and making it happen. So this is one of the things that I'm kind of making, but I'm doing a different set of data and hopefully making it a little bit prettier. Hopefully it doesn't take like a million years to do though. Is this a remix of the same song? Oh, it's the same song. How funny. I have MonsterCat in the background. You're curious? On what? What's up? So I need to figure out how to access the extents. This is the data I'm dealing with. Wait, this isn't the object. View. Keep coding? I'm coding still. I'm trying to figure out this data. This is like literally the hardest part. It's just understanding how to deal with the data. I need the sum of all of these. Hi Farron, how are you? Welcome to stream. So I am going to I'm gonna figure out how to get this data out. Have you been? Welcome to stream. I'm just doing late night coding. I need to finish stuff for my class on Monday, so here I am, not playing. I want to be in game, but I need to work on this. I haven't worked on it since last Thursday, so I'm like a little bit out of practice. You just woke up. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to access the leaves. Because we have total yield. So what this data looks like right now is, I need to look at how the data looks like. It looks like Manchuria. St. Paul, I think this is what it looks like. And then 326. I don't like it, it's terrible. This is pretty nasty. This is literally what it looks like right now. Total yield. And it's not pretty. So it would look like this. If my JSON understanding is correct. How was the reset? I have not gone to game yet, so I'll have to work on it later on my dailies. I need to try to. I'm hoping to try to get something done for this graph, at least getting it drawn, because we learned this last Friday and I haven't worked on it since last Wednesday. I haven't worked on it since last Wednesday, so I'm a little bit out of practice. So yeah. Did you end up working doing reset? My camera's offset pretty badly. There's gonna be a million of me for like real quick. So sorry. Hello. Which way do I need to go? This way. Oh yeah. I don't know. Oh, there we go. I was probably like chair dancing. Oh, I'm still there. Like a million of me. Just a little bit. Nice. Oh, this music is interesting. Oops. Not sure what I was trying to do with that. Property 0 of undefined. You can't access objects. Wait. Special effects. Yes, special effects. Let me just try to see how I can walk through this data. I really need to get the total yield. I don't know if nesting it was the best way to go. So this is the original data. I like this way better. This one's a lot easier to read. But the nested data is very nasty looking. So it has way too many nests.
Maybe we can make this world a better place. And the tragedies inside our spirits free.
This music's setting up the feels, guys. Is the music loud enough? I hope it's loud enough. I was like tweaking it around a little bit. Programming is a book which I'll never open. Oh my gosh, I have so many programming books that I still need to open. And data design books that I need to like, or actually visual design books that I need to start reading. Actually, I forgot to announce this on Twitter. Oops, wrong Twitter. That's my professional one. Women in programming. Women who code. I think that's an actual group. Oh yeah. What was I looking at? Oh, I still need to figure out how to read through this data. The hardest part, you guys. This is the worst part. Oh my gosh, sometimes it takes me days to get through this. So hopefully, like, if it takes me forever, I'll probably just like go to sleep. Or like or end stream and go play Guild Wars 2. I need to figure out how to access these. So, can I filter? Oh. Let me try to do this again, actually. D3.js. I want to just do a roll up. Total. It's pretty much the same function that's up there. Dot total field. Hold on. Oh my god, I hate this. This is so disgusting. Wait, why? Oh, why is that a... Where did that bracket come from? There we go. There we go. Oh my god. This is, oh my gosh, JavaScript is so confusing. And this music is so good. Actually, this is not gonna output anything. Uh-oh, sorry guys. Ah! Oh my god! Sorry, I'm sorry. Oh, it does output something. Yay! Oh, it's not what I want. This is not it. Line 88. These for viewer data. Ooh, this song got all funky. Oh, I did an object return. It's not turning back anything because I didn't return an object. Entries, new data. Michael Bay is calling. Who's Michael Bay? Is he your friend? Ooh, this is not working. Oh, that roll up did not work. Feels bad, man. And hello, Kappa. You still tired? What have you been up to though, Farron? Have you been playing any games lately? This is what the data looks like. It does not know how to access. So you do d.key or .key .value d.value .value. Let me try to console log that. I honestly didn't know what I'm doing. What am I trying to do? I wish I could make the data look like this. Look how pretty this looks. But right now we have nested objects, which is not pretty at all. And data, so this data function, there's a data function in D3.js. It only takes arrays. So I need to figure out how to fix this to make the object readable. It takes like this array, so like an array of objects, but right now I have an object of objects, which is not good. So yeah. I don't know a better way of using D3 nest. So the method that I'm using is D3 nest, and it's a way of looking through data. So yeah, it just helps you look through data, but I don't know if it's actually helpful in terms of using it for D3 graphs, because they don't have an example of using it, like actually using it. So hi Autistic, this is for a data visualization with JavaScript D3.js class. So I'm supposed to be making like a stack chart with barley data, so I'm working on that somehow. But I have to clean the data a little bit, which is the worst part ever. Where's my ruler? Where are you? There you are. I might have to figure out a better way of doing this, because Nest is not working for me. I mean, it's helped me read through the data, but now I don't know how to access it. So that returned nothing. Hold on, I need to take some time to visualize the data in my mind. Let me look at the stack chart that we did, because I need to look at this too. Look how easy it is, how it was. It's like in this nice array of objects. Let me see what it looks like in objects again. gonna suffer with all of the key value pairs that are in the nest that's right there right now. Object. Oops. Objects. Oops. Not it. How come it didn't work? I think it's object. This is an interesting song. It's not working. Why? It was working before. Oh, no wonder. I don't have the console log. Yeah, this isn't gonna work either. You see the first object that returns to undefined. Hi Saberdust, how are you? Welcome. First object that returns will be, yes, this one. Oh. Eek. This song is so weird. MonsterCat, why? What is this? I don't like. The struggle of working through data. Hello! Welcome, welcome. I don't know if my alert went past. I might have overlapped it. Let me fix that for you. Uh-oh. Sorry, guys. Oh no. My alert should have gone through. There was no alert. Uh-oh. Ignore. Yeah. Oh, I wonder why my alert didn't show up. How sad. But Saberdust, thanks for the follow. Finally, JavaScript. You're a new front-end dev. Welcome. This is kind of JavaScript. This is the D3.js library. So I make this stuff. Yeah, this pretty stuff. Oh, a dev. Welcome. How are you liking front-end so far? I'm trying to make something like this. I'm just having trouble accessing the data that I'm looking at, so I'm a little bit stumped. Unless I can possibly redo it somehow. This is pretty yucky data. I'm looking at this stuff. Maybe I should just do searches and filter them out. Let me store this. So let me do an example. So like the first one is Manchuria. Oh no, this is the wrong one. Temp 1. So I want to get Jen is Manchuria. So temp1 dot filter. Return d dot Jen is equal to Manchuria. Let's see how that looks. You may use D3 at work, you love your job using Angular right now. Nice. I actually need to learn that stuff. I need to learn one of the modern frameworks, so I began picking up React. Was it easy for you to learn Angular? I'm kind of like an old school programmer. So I'm a little bit outdated with some stuff because I've been making websites since I was 10, so like in around 2000-ish, but there weren't like crazy big frameworks way back when. And then I stopped working professionally around like 2012 so that I could go to grad school, and it's just like from there, like all the old frameworks I was working on, other than Bootstrap, but Bootstrap is just like going to be around for a long time. A lot of the stuff that I was working on kind of just like got outdated, so I'm like, now I need to start over and learn. I need to work on something modern again so that I can not get outdated. Oh, I only picked up the... How was I sorting it? Oh crap. Generation and site. Let's do Colsys and Crookston. Colsys. And the site will be Crookston. Let's see what that does. Oh, beautiful. So any news in terms of expansion path for Guild Wars 2 Cake? I don't have any information about that. I think the best place you could go for any info on that would have to be the Guild Wars 2 Reddit, because they like to have conspiracy theories and stuff, so that would be the best place. Angular was a bit weird coming from jQuery, but Pluralsight was a great resource. Oh, cool stuff. Nice. That's good. I hope, as long as it's not as weird as writing Ruby, because I was trying to learn Ruby for a little bit, because for a little bit, like Ruby was kind of like the thing. It's still pretty big, but I was like, okay, maybe I'll try to learn Ruby. I did not like it at all. I didn't like learning Ruby. I didn't like the syntax. It was disgusting. So I was like, no, thank you. So, because I was working on Python previously, and Python makes sense, but some of the stuff that Ruby was doing was just like, it was a little bit, it deviated a little bit far off from traditional object-oriented coding, so I was like, ooh, this is very different. So I had to go back to something a little bit more traditional-ish. Although JavaScript isn't very traditional, but I grew up with JavaScript, so it's okay. I'm just having an issue understanding this data. Colsys, Crookston. This is fine, and I access the D3.sum. How do I use D3.sum? Are you streaming work? No, Zed. This is classwork. I guess it's work. I need an example on this. I'm just like, ugh, I can't. I'm having a hard time. I'm having a hard time reading this data. Yes, how is World vs. World? Did you just finish streaming? I'm sorry I didn't get a chance to look at your stream. I got distracted. And then I was listening to an MonsterCat anyway, so I was like, meh. Might as well chill with people while I'm all in my lonesome coding. on a Friday night. Oh my gosh. This is all Manchuria. Okay. I don't know how I'm gonna read through this data. I'm on like a brain fart right now. You finished stream. We were like 12 people and everyone else was 30 group locked. We couldn't find anything. Oh no. Aww. Well, I just have music to offer you, but oh, and also undying support for Maguma, of course. Saturday and Sunday will be better. Okay, good. Yeah, people are probably out for today. Oh yeah, guys, check out Zed's stream. He's awesome. He's my Guild Wars 2 World vs. World pal. So. Yeah, there's nothing interesting going on for stream for me. This is a lot of what programming looks like. You stare at a blank screen and not have anything really working. It's crazy hot where you are? Oh no. It's crazy cold where I am. It's like I don't know. Let me check the weather. It was windy and I was wearing a dress and I didn't have any tights on, so I was freezing. It was 70-ish today, but it was still really windy. This is very old school music. What green screen are you using, Cake? Looking for a good one. You have streamed writing once or twice. Ooh, writing is nice. I am using the web around, so let me get you the link for it. Let me get you the exact one I'm using. But they came out with different colors, so... So let me find it for you. And then I'll get you the link and everything. This is the blue screen I'm using. Well, mine is the blue screen. They have a green and a gray one now. I think there might be a fourth color, I don't remember. Yeah, they have 3 colors. Green, gray, and blue. And this is one I use. I like it a lot. Because I can just roll it up and just like throw it under my bed. Because I don't want to have like a huge streaming setup because I don't have the room for it. Hi Woodywood! I am working on barley data, so this is... let me open it up for you guys. Although I don't know if you guys will be able to read it. It's pretty ugly. Oh yeah, this is ugly. So... let me refresh this. My goals for this is to be able to make a bar chart with it. A stack bar chart. So... right now, this is just like my first try at making a stack bar chart. But what the data looks like is it's an object. It has generation, site, year, yield in a JSON? CSV file. Is that from data.gov? I am not sure. My teachers just pulled this data for us, so I can try to find it. Barley pull.csv data. Download? I don't know where they found this data from. Yeah, I'm taking a data visualization class for it, so that's where I got it from. You've streamed interactive fiction, you're creating in Twine, a hyperlink writing program. Oh, that's so cool. Sour, please. My goal with the data, yes. So my goal is to make a stack bar chart. And what I want to do right now is to group it by... oh, this is wrong. Sorry, let me fix this. I'm gonna show you the object of what I want it to look like. I mean, I could try drawing it, that's easier to see. So right now, I have cleaned it a little bit. So I am sorting it by generation and then by site. So each generation has several sites, and I just want to do the total yield for every site. So each generation will have one stack, one bar, and then every one of these values will be in that bar. So I have one for Crookston, another one for Duluth, and another one from Grand Rapids. So it will have to be organized by. They will have to be organized by min-max. It has to go 120. Yeah, they're already sorted, so which is kind of nice. Although, oh my gosh, this has only like a difference of 2. That's gonna be really difficult to see on a bar chart, which this is why I don't like bar charts. They're not easy to read, especially if the values are really small. I don't like them. But that's what I'm trying to make. Oh yes, it does look like JSON because we in D3.js we have a parser that kind of like makes it easier to read. So yeah, it parses through the CSV and kind of puts it into an easier JSON format. Are the products only available to American people? Baron, I don't know. Hold on, I could show you actually. Let me see. I bought it. I actually paid a little bit more. I think I paid like $65 right now, and it's selling for like 45 bucks. I'm so jealous because I paid more. But the person, when I bought it, they accidentally gave me 2 web arounds. So I gave one to my friend, and then he's not using it anymore. So I was like, oh, okay. So. It doesn't say, but I know this is like I think the person who owns this is only just like one lady. She's like a nurse. She like kind of forgot to ship my product, and she's like, I'm so sorry, I am a single mom who does all of this. And I was like, oh my gosh, where did they ship? I guess they don't tell you. I would have to check out or something. Yeah, I saw. I hope it's not just US only. Looks like you're getting there. You need to learn ES syntax. Filter is a nice method. Yeah, we can do filter. So I was doing filter a little bit right here. So I was just oops, missing another. Did I accidentally delete? What the? Sorry, it's getting late. Bad programming. Oh, duh. Hold on. That's so weird. Oh no. Let's go get something simple. We'll just get year 1927. It should be a, I don't know if it's gonna be a, it should be an integer actually. Or a number value. Yeah, that works. So now everything for 1927 is sorted. I guess I could just do filter, but I would need it to filter for everything. Yeah. Oh, I know. My classmates are doing ES6 syntax. I don't really care for it, but I know it's like the new stuff, so that's okay. My only issue with ES6 is that it's not readable for everyone because not everyone can read ES6. That's the issue with like modernizing programs or modernizing languages. You kind of, they change up the syntax and simplify it, and then you lose all the other people who know the lower level programming. So that's like one of the main issues with modernizing, I guess, with the syntax change with ES6. So yeah, which was funny because so in my class there are some non-programmers, and they're pretty okay. Like they like to use ES6 because it's easier to read for them, because it does look easier to read. But the thing is, when my professor, because he likes, or my teacher, I keep calling him a professor. So yeah, so when my teacher starts programming in non-ES6, because we have one teacher who writes in ES6 and one teacher who doesn't, they kind of get a little bit confused because of the syntax. It gets less easy to read, but still, I don't know, I just have gripes. Let's see. Holy, the costs are exploding if I want to buy it. Oh no! I'll check on eBay. Maybe eBay will have it? They have it too on eBay. I think they're selling it on eBay. So the web around. The web around? Hi Jim Tanis! Welcome to stream. I guess they don't sell it anymore on eBay. They stopped selling it on eBay. Darn it. Bummer. How are you? Welcome. Thanks for the follow. I'm just chilling and staring at data that I'm having trouble playing with, but yeah. This is the data that we work with in class, which was so much easier to look at. If only I could do this. But the issue, it's gonna be a little bit difficult for me because what is this function that we're using? I think it's D3 stack. Yes. You don't like a lot of new syntax. Let is confusing. I just want bars and stuff. Yeah. I mean, I think it's okay as long as you're able to. I don't know. I'm more of an old school programmer where I started with C++ when I programmed. So, like, that syntax is the same going through JavaScript and C#. It's very similar. And then the weirdest one that I switched over to, well, not super weird, but when I was taking my algorithms class, we were using Python, and that wasn't too bad because it was still pretty. It was pretty easy to read and pretty much had like the same, that in the essence of it was pretty much the same, just didn't have to be too strongly typed, didn't have all the curly braces, things like that. But then jumping over to like the crazier languages that are super ultra simplified, I can't do it. Like I tried Ruby, I didn't like it because it was so far away. It was a little bit too far away from like traditional object-oriented programming that it was just like, whoa, cannot. And I was like, I don't know, it wasn't for me. You like using Lab. You might play Guild Wars 1 to get Stash's Hollow Monuments. Nice. You started with C. Oh, good stuff. We did a little bit of C in class, which was kind of nice when I was learning C++ because it's C++ is backwards compatible to it, so that was kind of cool. But I haven't dealt with pointers and garbage collection and freeing memory in a while. But it was nice to learn that stuff because it just really helps you understand how a computer works and how it goes down into the lower levels, especially if you go lower and actually have to study assembly language. Oh my god, I don't miss that class. So yeah, it's good to start off somewhere there and then work your way up. I think it's a good baseline. I always like recommend people, hey, start with C++ or something. It's better that way. You'll learn a lot more, even though it's hard as hell sometimes for some people. But yeah, I wouldn't say Python is a good starter language because you miss all the lower level stuff that I think is pretty important to understand, especially if you want to study computer science. Hey, I sent you some work I did for emos. Did you get a chance to see them? Did you find someone else? Sorry to get you off track programming. No, I haven't checked. Hold on. I haven't been on Twitter, but I will. Let me look at it real quick. Thanks for reaching out to me. Yeah, I'm looking for emote work. Welcome to stream, by the way. Lazy gamer. can't seem to find your... Did you send it to me as a tweet or as a DM? Oh, thank you for the follow. Hi Nathan! Welcome to stream! Yeah. I wonder why it always like... That's so weird. DM. How are you? Let me check my DMs for you. Oh, no wonder. I'm not even on Twitter. on the right Twitter account. I was like, why am I not seeing it? These are not the right people. I was on my professional one. Let me check on that real quick for you. Oh, those are really nice. Actually, your manga style drawing your style is really good. So I will get in touch with you, and then we'll see how it goes. Because pretty much what I want my emotes to look like is essentially like what that image is. Hold on, let me go to my Twitter. Hi Nathan, I'm good. How are you? I'm doing well. I'm stuck a little bit on the data exploration. I literally just want it to look like the this stuff. Hold on, this whole tweet. But I just want her hair. I don't know if I want her hair to be, well, I don't know if I want it to be like my gaming character in game or just me. So I'll figure that out. I should probably make a professional Twitter too, but I kind of want my players to know my Baka side. Yeah, I have my professional one, so I was like, and it's just like all programming stuff because I do a lot of networking up here. So I was like, I need to separate stream from it. So yeah. But yeah, that's Twitter for me. I has nerdy stuff, and then gamer nerdy stuff. Yay! So yeah, something like that. I do want the bunny on the head, but we could talk about this another time. So I just really like the bunny because I have bunnies. Oh, do you guys want to see my pet bunnies? I have Lord Vader and Padme. I'll show you guys. You're big. Be right back. I'm not gonna switch scenes. I don't have scenes set for this. Here's Lord Vader. Please come for carrot. Want carrot? That's a big carrot actually. Professional Twitters are nice, but they get like, it gets a lot to manage. Oh, yeah. But here's Lord Vader. He's my little bunny boy. He's just been he was actually grooming Padme. I have a girl bunny, but she was too shy. You like your carrot? Aww, so cute. So yep, I might have to close off screen soon. So, no more? No more? You know you want more. It's so cute. Look at this. Here. I actually have a really cute photo of him. If I can remember his Instagram, but I don't remember his Instagram. Good boy. So yeah, I don't look like too much of an anime fangirl. Yeah, one more. There's plenty for you. Say hi to people. So yeah, he's bored. I wanted to let him be free roaming in the house, but he started chewing my shoes, so I'm like, nope, he can't be unwatched yet. I want him to be trained enough that he does it, that I can like leave him out like a dog. But he has to be in a cage, so I'm just like, darn it. So I'm scared that he'll end up like chewing things while I'm away. He started chewing like one of my, oh my gosh, whoa. He started chewing one of my cords for my phone charger. And I was like, nope, you need to go back. Look at him trying to pull his feet away. Yep, do you guys have any pets? He's, how old are you? 3, right? No more? You're not done, are you? So funny. He's so funny. But yeah, other than that, it's just chilling with this guy. You have 2 dogs? Aww, what kind of dogs? I love dogs. We used to have a dog, but she passed away recently. She loved Vader and Padme. She loved my bunnies. Look how big his foot is. Here, take the last piece so I can bring you back. Don't bite me. Aw, good boy. Okay, here. Oh! Goodbye! He really ran away. Ooh, and he's very furry. He's shedding right now. Bye bye, Bun Bun. He'll come back later. But yeah, he's been dying to like get out of the cage. You wanna go back to your cage? He's just staring at me. But I think I'll close that stream because I don't have much else to do. Hi! Oh, look at you. Here, let me see if you can. Vader, come here. Where are you going? Aww. He's free. Yeah, he's gonna be roaming around and running into the he's gonna be hanging out under the bed for a bit. But I'm gonna close out stream. I'm at a brain fart, so I think I'm good with programming tonight. So what I did finish was bye Buns. What I did finish was this chart. The thing is a wild animal. Yeah, he's pretty wild. So what I did finish was this chart. So it explores life expectancy, income, and population for 2 different nations side by side. So that's what I finished earlier, and that wasn't too bad. I was just making it a little bit nicer. I could add more exploratory stuff, but that will be something that I can do later. Yeah. And then that is great. Yay! And then what was I working on? Yeah, this is one of the later things that I've done, which was a scatter plot, which is not too bad actually, but I could make it a little bit better. So yeah, there's like little things. I need to add more stuff. But this one took me 8 hours to make, so which was not too bad. There were other things that I could have added to, like maybe small multiples bar chart so that you could see the distribution of the data. So that would be interesting to see. But other than that, I think that's it for tonight. I'm gonna go do my dailies. And actually, I think I need to text real quick. But yeah. Yeah. Thanks for hanging out with me tonight, guys. I will get in touch with you, Lazy Gamer. I talked to my friend too because I have a friend in real life who's been trying to contact me about images, but I think he's just playing around. He was like making random photos of me. Oh, I could show it to you guys. This is in my sub channel. But he was making this for me, and I was like, oh my gosh, is that really what I look like? You glad you get to see me code? Yeah. I mean, like, I would let you see me code more, but when I get stuck, it's really boring. It won't be interesting to see. I was like, but yeah, like, look at this face. This is so funny. So I was like, I don't know. I want like a cuter emote first, and then afterwards we'll make other emotes. Because it looks like we have a regular sub emote, and then we also get a $9.99 emote, and then there's a $24.99 sub. Which $24.99 is I feel like it's a lot, but thanks to, if there are people who are generous enough to do that, that's pretty cool. That dude is an artist, is he? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Let me see his other one. I was like, okay, that's not too bad, but can you make it in digital? So I don't think he does a lot of digital graphics, but let me paste it into this channel. And I thought it was really funny. He made a digital version of it. If I can get Facebook to load faster. Hi Buns! Hi Babes! Oh, and Shafter, welcome to your Discord. Here, I posted it on the bottom. He made this, and I was like, hey, that is actually not bad. So, yeah. That was pretty funny. I thought it was cute. So, good stuff. But right now, that's only hanging out in my sub-only channel. No, need more pink! So yeah, other than that, we're just gonna be... I'm probably gonna I'm gonna go head over and play Guild Wars 2. Yeah! Oh, now you guys got my email address. But yes, so I will see you guys later. Thanks for hanging out. I'll be in game if you guys want to hang out with me. I'm just gonna be doing my dailies. Let's see a 28 res version. Oh, bye Vader! Oh my gosh, Vader is blinking around my room. So, take care guys! Have a good one! Have a wonderful evening and a great weekend. I'll see you guys next week on stream. Okay, bye bye! And this is gonna be a million of me, so... Oh, hello Guild Wars 2. But yes. I'm gonna go play without stream, so bye bye. Bye guys.